Nnyo mwebalire ddala twebaza olw'okujja olwaleero baganda baffe ab'amawulire. Tubadde mu kafubo ne European Union delegation tiimu y'omukago gwa Bulaaya, ambasada ab'amawanga ga Bulaaya abakulembeddwa ambasada wa EU. Babadde bazze twogere ku nsonga ez'enjawulo eby'enkulaakulana, nteekateeka yaffe mugenda mu kalulu na nteekateeka ki gye twagala okuleeta singa tuba tutute obukulembeze ng'Abannayuganda bonna bwe bakiraga. Naye okusingira ddala ebyo babireese okubiteesaako bo nga balinga abalowooza nti embeera tuli mu ya bulijjo. Naye tumaliriza ng'ensonga enkulu gye twesibyeko era yetuta obudde obusinga ensonga ya human rights, eddembe ly'obuntu. Bo ng'amawanga g'e Bulaaya tubalabye nga beesibye nnyo ku ddembe ly'obuntu, naye era tubadde ng'ababasomera nekibagamba nti beesiba ku ddembe ly'obuntu naye balinga abagamba nti eddembe ly'obuntu liririmu lye bamanyi lye badde bakaanira ery'okwegadanga, naye ng'eddembe ly'obuntu lirina okubeera obulamu bw'abantu. Okugeza turaisinze complaint yaffe oba okwemulugunya kwaffe okuba nti bano amawanga g'abazungu, amawanga g'e Bulaaya galabiddwa nnyo bambasada baabwe nga beekulubeesa n'abamenyi b'amateeka n'abatulugunya abantu, okusingira ddala mutabani wa Museveni Muhoozi nekirabikanga ababeera bapatena be mu kunyigiriza abantu. So tukibabuulidde ne tubagamba tekisanyusa Bannayuganda naffe kennyini babanga bo abalina akagenderere, babanga abafuzi ab'amatwale okukolagana n'abatunyigiriza. Era nenjogera ne ku nsonga ya Amini, yalina omuzungu gwe yabeeranga naye nga gwakozesa okulaga ekifaananyi y'abazungu bakolagana nabo. Batusuubiza nti bajja kwongera okusitula eddoboozi lyabwe ku mbeera ya human rights oba eddembe ly'obuntu wano. Ne turaisinga n'ensonga y'abaganda baffe abali mu kkomera, okusingira ddala Edi Mutwe eyatulugunyizibwa ng'ali mu ddwaliro ali mu kkomera avundireyo mu kifo ky'okubeera mu ddwaliro. Batusuubiza nti bajja kyogerako. Tulinze okulaba ebikolwa byabwe nga bikwatagana n'ebigambo byabwe, era bwe kinaakola ekyo kijja tukola bulungi nnyo. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Excellency.
President bw'atyo asomedde abasajja abazungu, mpulidde ebigambo bye bw'abadde ebyo bitambudde.
Make sure that you are
mainly on the issue of human rights, which we hold so dear. We took opportunity to also raise our concerns about the seeming hobnobbing of the diplomats with a clearly brutal person that is General Museveni's son, and we expressed our concern that the people of Uganda tend to view it as a support for their oppression. Of course, the leader of the delegation took opportunity to explain himself, which I wouldn't want to reiterate. I will explain it. So it was a productive conversation. I took opportunity to also raise the plight of our brother Edi Mutwe, who is rotting away in jail. And I mentioned that it would go a long way helping him out if the voice of the development partners is raised to save his life and ensure that he gets urgent specialized treatment. Thank you, and Your Excellency.
Thank you very much, Honourable. Well, my name is Jan Sadek. I'm the European Union Ambassador. We have had a meeting this morning here with the NUP President and his team, together with the European Union Member States ambassadors. And this we have done in a series of meetings that we are pursuing with all the political parties. We have met with NRM, now we are meeting with NUP, and we will proceed also with the other political parties. And why are we doing this? Well, because this is an important year. Uganda is heading for elections next year. in 2026. It's an incredibly important process, of course, for the democracy in the country, and we expect all Ugandans to take greater interest in this. And so do we, as diplomats and observers, active observers here in your country. We follow very closely what is happening in the country this year. Together with the NUP leadership, we have discussed the conditions, the status of affairs in Uganda and how this will affect the elections next year. We have seen this year that there has been some violence around the by-elections in Kawempe North, and we have discussed and expressed our concern about that, as well as lately kind of interventions by the security forces against team members of the NUP president, and we have expressed our concern about that as well. This does not seem to point to a level playing field, which is so important in a democracy that is heading for elections. So we appeal to all political forces in the country to respect the ideas of democracy and to pursue these elections in a calm way to achieve fair and credible election results. We also discussed lots of other things here with Honorable Kyagulanyi and his team, and for example the economic affairs here in Uganda, talking about the European Union's support to private sector, the incredible, remarkable increase of export that we have seen from Uganda to Europe, which we celebrate together with Uganda. We have discussed issues around our priorities for green transition in Uganda, our support to governance, to democracy, to civil society, and in general the kind of engagement that the European Union takes in Uganda, which is not and should not be politically biased, but we take pleasure and honor in seeing the political parties like we did today to understand how they plan for the elections and in the way that they work and how they appeal to Ugandans, in particular to young Ugandans, because we understand that this is a country with young populations. All political parties probably work a lot with young.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Janos Kareni. I am the Chargé d'Affaires of Hungary in Uganda.
Good morning, my name is Joost van Netgo. I'm the Chargé d'Affaires of the Netherlands Embassy.
Good morning, my name is Colombo Wells. I'm Chargé d'Affaires for the Irish Embassy.
Good morning, my name is Thomas Kosbach. I'm the First Secretary of the Delegations.
Good morning, I'm Joseph. I'm the Deputy Ambassador for the EU delegation.
Thank you very much. You're welcome, and may I at this point request the media to briefly excuse us so we can speak some English. We shall speak to you later. Thank you very much.